She looks fine now. She can have a normal delivery. But I want to perform surgery instead. I want to earn a commission. I want to make more money. How are you feeling now? Are you comfortable? Do you feel any strong pain? Is everything all right with you?
I'm okay for now, but I think my baby is ready to come. I can feel something different. I think the delivery may happen soon.
Just relax, okay? We are here with you. Take a long, slow breath. Everything will be all right.
Okay, sister.
Just be careful, okay? Please don't fight with Daniel. I don't want things to become worse. Just talk to him calmly and make him understand.
You don't need to worry about it. I'm not going there to start a fight. I just want to understand why he keeps following you.
But please try to control your temper. Daniel may say something that makes you angry. Just stay calm and come back safely.
I will stay calm. I won't do anything foolish. I will simply talk to him and warn him properly. You can trust me.
Okay. Well, since you are going out anyway, can I go and meet your mother? She might be a little upset with me. Spending some time with her might make her feel better.
That's actually a good idea. You should go and spend some time with her. She will probably be happy to see you. Go if you want, Fanya.
Oh God, please protect my Ivan. I just want to have a beautiful and peaceful life with him. I hope Ivan can make Daniel understand. But if Daniel refuses to listen, I will not hesitate to involve the police.
How is the patient doing? Has her condition changed? Is she ready for delivery? We need to keep a close eye on her.
She seems ready for a normal delivery. Her condition looks stable. But if she gives birth normally, we won't earn our usual commission. We should perform surgery instead.
Elira, please stop this nonsense. There is no medical reason for surgery. We can safely perform a normal delivery. We should never risk a patient's health for money.
Sir, think about the money we could make. The commission from surgery is much higher. We would lose a good amount of money. Why should we let that opportunity go? This is a good chance to make extra money. Just think about it. We could tell the family she needed surgery. We could say it was necessary to save the baby.
Look, ma'am, your son has been following my wife. He goes to her workplace and keeps trying to get close to her. He has already made her uncomfortable several times. I came here because I want this to stop.
Daniel, is this true? Are you really following Ivan's wife? Why are you going to her workplace? Tell me honestly what is going on.
I only went there to meet her. She was my friend before. I mean, she was my girlfriend.
Mind your words, Mr. Daniel. You left Fanya and married another woman. She was completely heartbroken after you left her. She was fighting through a very difficult time. And I was there for her. I supported Fanya when she had almost lost hope. I helped her rebuild her life. Now she is my wife. And we are happy together. You have no right to come back and disturb her peace.
You cannot keep disturbing another woman's marriage. You made your choices years ago. You need to respect Fanya's decision now. I'm very sorry about Daniel's behavior. I will talk to him myself. I promise he will not follow Fanya again.
You better keep your promise, ma'am. I don't want any more trouble for my wife. But if Daniel continues following her, I will take the matter to the police. I hope you understand how serious this is. Stay away from Fanya from now on. She is my respected wife. And we care deeply about each other. Don't try to come between us again.
What's wrong with you, my son? Why are you doing this? You are only hurting yourself and disturbing Fanya's peaceful life. She has already moved on.
I just wanted to see if I could bring her back into my life. But she has completely forgotten me.
What we did to Fanya was wrong. You need to leave her alone. She is a married woman now. You have no right to interfere in her marriage.
I'm sorry.
There are so many good women in the world. Focus on your business and build a better future for yourself. The right woman will come into your life at the right time.
That's good to hear, Elira. Just keep doing the same. I want to make more profit from that hospital. And bring Dr. Oleg here. We will have a nice dinner together.
Okay, ma'am. I will bring him with me. And please don't forget my commission. I'm working really hard here.
Don't worry, my dear. You will get your money at the end of this month. Just take care of everything there. Okay, goodbye.
This is Shirley. She is the owner of the hospital. She is a very dishonest woman. Her husband divorced her. She makes money through dishonest ways. And this is her daughter Aroha. She is a kind and good-hearted girl. She is very different from her mother. She is in her final year of college.
Mom, you are drinking again? Please don't do this. You know it's not good for your health. You should really take better care of yourself.
Don't lecture me, Aroha. I don't need advice from you. Tell me where you have been. Why are you coming home so late?
I was at the beauty parlor. Then my car broke down on the road. I had to call a mechanic, and he came to fix it. That's why I got home late.
Go to your room and study. You have your final year exams coming soon. Don't waste your time going out again today. Your education should be your first priority right now.
Okay. Please don't drink too much, Mom.
I told you not to lecture me. I can take care of myself. Now go upstairs and leave me alone.
I'm sorry about last night, Mom. Things turned out differently than I expected. You must have felt a little sad about it. I really wanted to spend time with you.
It's all right, dear. But why did you join the hospital so quickly? You and Ivan should spend some quality time together. This time is very important for newlyweds.
I know. That's why I took a few days off from work. I thought I could come here and spend some time with you. I also wanted to apologize to you personally.
I'm glad you came to see me. And how is Ivan doing? I wish he had come with you today.
He is doing well. I think he had some office work to finish. That's why he couldn't come with me.
All right. Since you are here now, tell me what I should make for you. Is there anything special you would like to eat?
You don't need to make anything special for me. I can cook something myself.
Okay. Then let's make something together. Come with me to the kitchen. We will prepare something delicious.
Your wife was in a serious condition earlier, but we managed to deliver the baby safely. We had to perform surgery because of her condition. Thankfully, both your wife and baby are safe now.
Oh, thank you. But I'm a little confused about something. I had already consulted a gynecologist before coming here. She told me that my wife could have a normal delivery.
Her condition changed after she was admitted here. She was not able to give birth normally anymore. We had to make a quick decision. You should be thankful that we saved both of them.
I'm sorry, nurse. Thank you for taking care of her and our baby.
Your wife is resting now, and the baby is doing well. Go to the billing department and pay the pending hospital bills. Your wife will need to stay here for about 1 week.
How are you, Sister Fanya? I came to Luca's house today after school. I'm gonna stay here tonight. We are going to play lots of video games.
That's nice, Zara. But did you tell Auntie about it? Did she allow you to stay there tonight? I don't want you to go anywhere without permission.
Your mother agreed to let Zara stay here tonight. She knows that my mother will take care of her. Everything is fine.
All right, that makes me feel better. Luca, please take care of Zara, okay? And don't stay awake too late playing games. You both need to go to bed early.
Okay, sister, we promise. We won't play games all night. But Luca already has so many games ready. I think tonight is gonna be really fun.
You two always get excited about video games. Just remember to behave yourselves. And don't forget to have dinner on time. I don't want to hear that you both stayed hungry.
Don't worry, Sister Fanya. I'm gonna hang up now. Goodbye.
Zara is staying at your house tonight. Luca took her there after school. They were both very excited about it.
My house? You should say that Zara went to our house. My house is yours now too.
Yes, you are right. Our house. Thank you for making me feel that way.
Oh, you don't have to worry about anything now. Daniel is not going to follow you anymore. But if he ever does it again, let me know immediately.
Thank you so much for protecting me. I was carrying this fear alone for several days. But now, I finally feel much safer.
And you did a good thing by telling me everything. Otherwise, I might have misunderstood the situation. Daniel could have created problems between us. Secrets can sometimes damage even a good relationship.
Yes, that's exactly why I told you.
You look very beautiful right now.
Really? You think so? I thought I looked tired today. But hearing that from you makes me happy. Maybe my husband is trying to make me smile.
Maybe I am. Why don't we go somewhere and travel together?
India? Let's go to India. I have always wanted to visit Goa and see its beautiful beaches.
How is everything going at the hospital? How many patients are currently in the ICU?
There are almost 25 patients, ma'am. The hospital is running quite well at the moment.
Good. But I want even more profit, Elira. Tell the doctors to recommend more tests whenever possible. The hospital should earn from every opportunity.
I understand, but Dr. Oleg seems a little worried lately. He keeps questioning some of our decisions.
Why, Dr. Oleg? What's wrong with you? You have been unusually quiet since you arrived. Is there something you want to say?
Ma'am, I feel that some of our decisions are wrong. Patients come to us because they need treatment. Many of them are not rich people. Giving unnecessary tests or treatment does not feel right.
But you also receive your commission from this hospital. Don't you want to earn more money? Or are you no longer interested in doing your job? I can easily hire another doctor.